So hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary. Today I will talk about one of the best business, that is furniture refinishing. Yes, furniture refinishing. Many people are reluctant to give up and hold furniture even when it's wearing, especially if it's an expensive, very expensive armchair or sofa. And one more thing, furniture refresheners solve this problem by replacing fabrics, fixing broken legs, and generally giving furniture a new lease of life. To start a furniture refinishing business, you will need experience in carpentry, in fabrics, interior designing, and access to a workshop with a large range of tools. It's worth investing in a website from the get-go with this business as the primary way. Furniture refinishers are found is through search and directory listings. To market this business, you will want to focus on local search advertising also, and content marketing. Yes, content marketing to ensure your ranking for relevant keywords, that is furniture refinishing London also. Is it? So thank you so much. Be happy, take care, and please subscribe my channel also. Thank you so much.